What is up, Interceptor Squad? Welcome back to another video. I apologize for being AFK for the past week. The weather has been horrible, bipolar weather here in New England. But anyway, this is going to be something a little bit different to come to my channel. Now, this is all being filmed on the new GoPro Hero 7 with hypersmooth technology, or the built-in stabilizer. And I got to tell you, this thing is the coolest little camera I've ever used. So I decided to do something a little bit different, get some cinematic shots. Now, I didn't set up the camera, so the shots were not cropped correctly. I didn't have it in cinematic mode. I had it in wide mode. So I hope the footage comes out, as good as I'm thinking, but it's all fixed for next time, and I can't wait for, when we have car meets to get some rolling shots, and this thing's really cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, I'm sorry for not posting for the past week, and I hope this makes up for it. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one.